Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today we have this number here. I just forget the 3 here, and we're going to find the cubic root of this number without using a calculator. Okay, so reading this number, it is 999 billion 700,029,999. So this is a big number. Okay, so we're going to find the cube root of this number. So to solve this, guys, I'm going to say that we're going to have here the square root. I'm going to write the big root here. So what I'm going to write actually here, I'm going to write the 999 billions. Okay, so this is 9 9, and then I'm gonna have 0 0 0, and then 0 0 0, and then 0 0. We got then 3 3, and then 1 here. Okay, and then plus this 700 million. Okay, so this is I'm gonna do it, and then this 29 here, I'm gonna say plus 20,000, and then plus 9,099. Okay, so this is how I'm gonna do it. Okay, remember that we have 3 here. So now this is what? This is 999. We have 9 zeros here, so we're gonna have then this cube root of 9 times 10 to the power of 9. Okay, plus here we're gonna have what? We have 8 zeros here. We're gonna have then 7 times 10 to the power of 8 plus 2 times 10 to the power of 4, and then plus this 9,999. Okay, so given this, guys, what we're gonna do now is well, this number here, well, this one here I can write as what? As 1,000 minus 1, right, times 10 to the 9 plus 7 times 10 to the 8 plus 2 times 10 to the 4 plus, and this number here, how can I write this number here? This is 10,000, right, minus 1. This one here returns this. So now this is then going to be equals to this, right? So this is then going to be what? This is 10 to the power of 3 minus 1, this one here, times 10 to the 9 plus this one here is 7 times 10 to the 8 plus 2 times 10 to the 4. Okay, and then here sorry, we're gonna have 10 to the 4, right, minus 1. Sorry, this is just a plus here. Okay, we don't need this bracket. Actually, this is plus 10 to the 4 minus 1. Okay, so now, guys, when I multiply this with this, just be doing the distributions, right? This one times this is going to be 10 to the power of 12, right, minus 10 to the 9, right? And then we have plus 7 times 10 to the 8 plus, we're going to have here 3. This one here, we're going to have 3 times 10 to the 4, and then we're going to have minus 1. Okay, so now I have, what do I have here, guys? Pretty interesting here. What I'm gonna do now is let me see. So now what I'm gonna do actually now, guys, is that I have here, then this is, I'm gonna keep this 10 to the 12, right, minus what I'm gonna have here, 10 to the 8, and then I'm gonna factor this one here. I'm gonna have then 10 to the 8, I'm gonna have times 10, which is gonna be 10 to the 9, and then minus 7 times, sorry, plus 3 times 10 to the 4 minus 1. So guys, this is then gonna be what we have then here. I'm doing step by step and it's gonna take kind of long. So this one here, we're gonna have then minus 3. Because 10 minus 7, it's 3. So times 3 to the power of 8. And then plus 3 times 10 to the power of 4 minus 1. So now guys, if we pay attention here, what do I have here? Is something like a perfect cube, right? So this is actually this is going to be actually something like, let me just write it correctly just to be clean for us to see. Okay, so I'm going to say, look, we have the 3 here, so this one has to be like something like, for instance, a minus b, right, to the power of 3. And actually it is, because a minus b to the power of 3, this is what? This is a to the power of 3, right? Minus 3a squared b, right? And minus 3 ab minus b cubed. Actually, it's going to be, this is square, so this is going to be a positive one, right? So guys, now from here, what we can see is that 10 to the power of 12, I can write this as 10 to the power of 4 to the power of 3, right? This one here, minus 3, which is going to be this 3 here, okay? This is 3 times 10 to the power of 4 squared. This is 10 to the power of 8 times minus 1. We have already negative here, so it's okay. And then plus 3 times 10 to the power of 4, which is now this one here, b squared. It's negative 1 squared, it's going to be positive. And minus 1, because our b is minus 1. So guys, this one here turns that this is going to be cube root of 10 to the power of 4 minus 1 to the power of 3. So now this goes with this. So we're going to have then 10 to the 4 minus 1. This is then going to be what? 10,000 minus 1. So this is going to be 999. Okay, guys? So I think this is our answer. And actually, so guys, yeah, this is actually our answer. Okay, this is 9,999. Okay, guys, so I think this is correct. You just can take it to the power of 3. I think you're gonna get to this. So the square root of this number here, guys, is 9,999, and this is it. Thank you for watching. Please, guys, subscribe to the channel and help me. Thank you very much. Drop down a comment and see you next video. Bye bye.